Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat. Good evening, guys. Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. I hope you are eagerly waiting for our session. Yes, yes, yes. Same here, guys. Same here. All right. So let us start our session here today, guys. So, guys, before starting our session, like before starting our today's session, let me ask you, like anyone new today? Like this is the first class. Please raise your hands in the Zoom if this is your first class. Kindly please raise your hands in the Zoom. Go ahead. Please carry on. Right. All right, guys. All right. Nearly 40 people. All right, guys. You can now lower your hands, please. Please. You can lower your hands now. Thank you. Please, you can lower your hands. All right. Right. So, guys, kindly please check your chat box. Kindly please check your chat box. You can check your chat box. Now, in the chat box, did you receive 2 recordings? Day 1 and day 2? Yes. The people who have present in our yesterday's class, you should be getting that email to your email, like video recordings to your mail. Did you receive that? Yes, yes, yes. So if the people who did not receive that, for the people who did not receive that, just now I had send those recordings to your emails. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. Now let us start our session here today. So guys, I'm requesting you kindly please hold your questions until the session is completed. Once the session is completed, I'll be giving you the time so that you can ask me the questions. If the question is not answered, like previously, if I did not answer that question, 100% I'll be trying to answer your queries. Okay. So guys, this is for the new people who came today only. Guys, this is for the new people who came today only. Right. Now, we have started our sessions, guys. We have started our sessions on 25th. That is Tuesday. This is the recordings. This is the link for Tuesday's session. This is the link for Wednesday's session, that is yesterday's session. Okay, these 2 links just now I have pasted them in your chat box. You can go through them, please. Kindly please go through them. Okay, if you are unable to get the video links, once the session is completed, like in the last ending of the session, again I'll be trying to upload these links in our chat box. Okay, so in the meantime, but for the new people who came today only, guys, if you are having any doubts, like how many sessions we are going to take, how many modules we are supposed to cover, what is actually Java full stack developer, what is this course, how many modules will be there, how much time it is going to take, what is the total fees structure, and what is actually core Java, how we are supposed to cover this core Java, in how many days we are supposed to cover this core Java, all these basic concepts I have covered in day 1. So kindly please go through that video. Okay, now we have started our technical demo sessions from yesterday onwards. All right, guys. Now, so guys, kindly please answer my question. Yesterday we have started our session, and I told you there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there. What are those? Class, interface, and then enum. And how many access modifiers are there? There are 4 access modifiers are there. What is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions, means which will be enhancing the data security. So how many types of access modifiers are there in Java? Yesterday I told you, like there are, guys, please don't sit idle. Please don't sit idle. Respond with an answer in the chat, please. Okay. Yes, there are 4 types of access modifiers are there: public, private, protected, and default. Public, private, protected, and default. Yes. Now, in these 4 access modifiers, how many you can use for a class? How many we can use for a class? Only 2. What are those? Public and default. We have already seen that also. And what is the syntax of a class? So guys, I told you there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there, like class, interface, and an enum. We have seen the syntax of a class, we have seen the syntax of an interface, and we have seen the syntax of an enum also. But most of the time, guys, most of the time, we are going to deal, like in our projects, we are going to deal with classes. Classes. Actually, I already told you, like I told you what is actually a package. What is a package? Package consists of similar types of classes, interfaces, and enums. But most of the time, we are supposed to, most of the time, we will be dealing with Java classes. I already told you that particular concept also, right? 90% of the time we will be dealing with Java classes. So in our programming also, in our training also, we will be dealing with Java classes. So guys, inside a Java class, like before going to like inside a Java class, we should be knowing the syntax of a Java class. Now, guys, what is the meaning of syntax? What is the meaning of syntax? Syntax means exactly some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If we are not following those rules, we will be getting an compile time error. For our understanding purpose, we can compare. For English, we will be having grammar. For Java, we will be having syntax. As simple as this, right? So we have covered that particular concept also. So we have seen the syntax of a class, like access modifier, class, class name, open braces, and close braces. Now inside a class, I can write variables, methods, blocks, and create objects also. Sir, what is a variable? What is a method? What is a block? How to create an object? What is the use of an object? We will be discussing, guys. We will be discussing now. Okay, right. So yesterday we have seen the example of a Java class also, and I told you a small note point, that is every Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. Now, sir, actually, what is a Java method? I don't know what is a Java method. Yes, Java method. First, guys, I already told you, actually I told you, if we want to write anything in Java, first what we should be knowing, if we want to write any code in Java, we need to know the syntax. Guys, syntax, right? So without knowing the syntax, we cannot write a method. Now, sir, what is a Java method? Guys, Java method is a place where we will be writing the business logic. Java method is a place where we will be writing the business logic. Business logic means a simple addition program, a simple addition operation to a complex stock market prediction. All these logic we are supposed to write inside a Java method. So what is the use of Java method, guys? It is used to write the business business. Come on. What is the use of a Java method? What is the use of a Java method? It is used to write the business logic. It is used to write the business logic, guys. Business logic. Okay. Business logic. It is used to write the business logic. Okay, sir. I understand. But by the way, sir, what is actually business logic? Guys, don't make it complicated. Business logic means a simple addition program. Any kind of logic, like addition program, subtraction program, or else addition concept, subtraction, multiplication, division, any kind of logic, we can call that as a business logic. Did you understand what is actually a business logic? Kindly please respond in the chat for me, please. Just logic, that's it. Shailendra, business logic means it's just some code, just code, that's it, not more than that. Okay, guys, please don't think that. Yeah, exactly, Mukesh. Yes, some procedure to solve a problem. That is 100% correct. Okay, now guys, please observe. Now I should be knowing the syntax of a Java method. What is the syntax of a Java method? Access, modifier, access modifier, return, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces, like this. Now, so guys, kindly please remember, inside a Java class, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can write blocks, and we can create objects. Right now, I am speaking about method. Where we are supposed to write a method? Answer my question, please. Where we are supposed to write a method? Exactly. Very good. Inside a class. Guys. Inside a class, we are supposed to write a method. Okay. Now, guys, this is the syntax of a Java method. Now, in this syntax, do you find any new word? Did you find any new word? You know the syntax of a class. You know the syntax of an interface. You know the syntax of an enum. But right now, I'm giving you the syntax of method. Did you find any new word? Exactly. What is that new word? A return type. Sir, what is that return type? I understand, guys. Now, guys, please observe here. When we are speaking about a return type, we are having 4 options for writing a return type. For writing a return type of a method, we will be having 4 options. We can write void as method return type. Sir, what is that return type? Hold on. By the end of our today's session, you will be getting an idea about return type. Okay. We can write void. We can write all the 8 primitive data types. Sir, what are these primitive data types? Guys, when you're speaking about primitive data types in Java, Can you please tell me how many Java language keywords are there? How many Java language keywords are there? Fantastic. 50. Every Java language keyword always starts with every Java language keyword always starts with small letter or capital letter. Exactly. Small letter, right? Now, how many primitive data types are there? How many primitive data types are there? There are 8 primitive data types are there. What are those? First one is int, byte, short, long, float, double, char, boolean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally, how many primitive data types are there, guys? We are having 8 primitive data types are there. All these 8 primitive data types we can use as method return type. Okay, so I told you 4 options. What are those? We can use void. We can use all the 8 primitive data types. We can use classes and we can use objects. OBJCTS. We can use objects. So totally, how many options we are having? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you understanding me, guys? I'm speaking about return type. A return type. Now, let us don't worry about, let us not discuss about remaining return types. I just want to discuss about void as of now, okay? Now, what do you mean by void? Shabazz, we'll be discussing that. Please wait for that. Okay. What do you mean by void? Void methods means that method will not return anything. Gautami, please listen. You will be getting that. Trust me, you will be getting that. Void method. As of now, kindly please do remember, void means it is a return type. Gautami, are you listening to me? Void. Void means return type. Okay. Answer my question. How many options are there for writing a return type? How many options are there for us for writing a return type? We are having 4 options. Okay. I am not speaking about all other options. I'm not speaking about all other options. I'm only speaking about void. Okay. Void methods will not return anything. Now, guys, very important point. Very, very important point. Always. Are you listening? Guys, are you listening? Please respond. Please respond. Are you listening? That is very good. That is very good. Now, always before method name, whatever you are having, that is a return type. If you want to write a method, 100%, you should be writing a return type. You should be writing a return type. Okay. Sir, I don't want to return anything from a method. Okay. If you don't want to return anything, make that method return type as. If you don't want to return anything, make that method return type as. Exactly. Make that method return type as void. Why? Because void methods will not return anything. Am I clear with this? Kindly please respond, guys. Please respond to me. That is very good. That is very good. Now, guys, I want to write a small example. Example for a method. Just a small example for a method. Okay. Now I'm going to write an example. What is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Okay. Whatever the data which you are writing inside these parentheses, that is known as method body. Method body, method body, or method body, or method functionality, method functionality, or method implementation, or method implementation. Tation, method implementation. Are you understanding me, guys? Come on, guys, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Respond. That is very good. That is very good. That is very good, guys. Literally, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. I want to write an example, guys. Simple example. Okay. PRIVATE. First, what I need to write? Access modifier. How many access modifiers are there? How many Sumit? How many access modifiers are there? 4. Yes. Now I'm writing private return type. Which return type I want to use? I don't want to return anything. I don't want to return anything. Exactly. Void. Okay. Void. After that, method name. Okay. I want to give my method name as sum. After that, open braces and close braces. Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Sumit, did you got it? Is it clear, Sumit? Please respond, buddy. Please respond. That is good. That is good. Now. So guys, can I write like this? Can I write like this? You may think that, sir, actually, we are supposed to use only 2 access modifiers. Guys, we are supposed to use only 2 access modifiers for what? For a Java class. Am I taking class right now? Am I taking class right now? Nope. I'm not taking class. What I am taking? Method. Where method will be present? Where a method will be present? Come on, buddy. Come on, guys. Respond. Where a method will be present? Inside a class. So, for a Java method, how many access modifiers we can use? For a Java method, how many access modifiers we can use? All the 4. All the four, guys. We can use, we are supposed to use only 2 access modifiers for a class. I never discussed anything about method. Are you understanding me, guys? Come on, guys, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Are you understanding me? Yes, exactly. We can use all the 4 access modifiers for a Java method. So fine, no problem. Now, so guys, please observe here. Now, what I want to do, let me try to take a class. Yesterday, I have taken this class, right? I'm removing this. Okay, this is a class. Public class name. Umesh, kindly please wait for that. You will be understanding. Please wait for that, Umesh. Okay. Is it okay, Umesh? Right, right. Now, guys, please observe here. This is a class. Is it according to the syntax of a class? Is it according to the syntax of a class or not? You know the syntax of a class. Access modifier, class. What is this class? What is this class? Keyword. Exactly. Keyword. Class name, open braces, and close braces. That's it. Now, what I want to do is, I want to write a method. Now, public, public, sum, parenthesis, open braces, and close braces. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Guys, this is the syntax of a Java method. This is the syntax of a Java method. Now, please check that syntax and tell me. Can I write like this? Am I missing anything? What I am missing? I am missing return type. Okay. So can I write like this? void void. Can I write like this, guys? No way. I cannot write like that. I'll be getting an error. What I told you, guys, always, if you are writing a method, before method name, what you should be having? Before method name, what you should be having? A return type. Exactly, guys. So public. How about now? Is it okay? Can I write like this? Yep, that is 100% correct. Yes, sir. I can write like this. Okay. Now, guys, I want to print. I just want to print hi. So, which statement I need to write? Yesterday, you have written that. Which statement I need to write? System.system, system.out.println, and here inside the double quotes, I am trying to write hi. That's it. So guys, I'm giving you a small tip for you. The people who came today only, like if today is your first class, I strongly advise you, kindly please go through my yesterday's class also. You will be getting a clear-cut picture, trust me. Okay, but let me tell you, system.out.println is a statement which is used to print the data in the console. For example, when we are going to ATM, we'll be getting a small message like on the screen, welcome, or else transaction success, transaction failed, insufficient funds, ATM is not working. You will be getting some information, right, on the screen. In order to get that information on the screen, we will be using system.out.println statement. Okay, so what I want you to remember is, guys, system.out.println statement is used to print some data in the console. Am I clear with this? Please respond in the chat for me. Am I clear with this? Yeah, that is very good. That is, guys, don't sit idle. Please don't sit idle. Please don't sit idle. Respond in the chat, please. Respond in the chat. Okay, okay. Now. All right, sir. All right. Now, this is some method. Some method. Now, guys, I told you every Java program execution should start with which method? Main method, and end with main method. Sir, why like it will start with main method? I'll explain you. I'll explain you. As of now, kindly please do remember every Java program execution should start with main method. Let me try to write my main method. Public static void main and open braces, close braces, like this. And here I'm trying to write string array args args. Guys, yesterday only I told you, one more time I'm saying you, sir, what is public, what is static, what is string array args, everything one by one, each word we will be discussing. Why? Because guys, main method, understanding main method literally will take 1 day session, complete 1 day session. So I will be explaining you every word. I promise you with that. Will you trust me with that? Will you trust me with that? That's it. Enough. Enough. Every word, I promise you with that, guys. Every word I will explain you. Every word I'll explain you. But not right now. Please hold that. Why? Because, guys, right now, what I want you to understand is what is a class, how to write a class, how to write a method, how to call a method. This is very, very important. Now, okay, I already told you guys, yesterday only I told you, like every Java program execution starts from main method and ends with main method. Okay, now inside this main method, I'm just trying to write one statement, that is system.out.println, and here I'm writing Java is awesome. I'm writing Java is awesome. Now, guys, please answer my question. Please answer my question. In my class A, how many methods are there? I need response from everyone. Kindly, please. Please. In my class A, how many methods are there? Exactly. 2 methods. What are those? What are those? First one is sum method. Second one is main method. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Sum method and main method. 2 methods. 2 methods. Sum method and main method. Okay. Now, let me try to execute my program. I'm executing my program. Okay, so guys, don't worry about how to compile and run. I will explain you today, if time is permitting today, or else by tomorrow I'll be explaining you what is actually compilation, what is actually running. Please don't worry about that. Okay, now let me try to compile my Java program. Java C space file name dot Java. I'm compiling it. Okay, it got compiled successfully. Let me try to show you the output. Java space class A. Guys, I'm having 2 methods, but which method got executed? Which method got executed? Only main method. Only main method got executed. Is some method executed? No, some method did not got executed. Only main method got executed, right? Okay. Now, question. Question, guys. Question. How many methods we can write inside a class? How many methods we can write inside a class? Any idea? Any answers? We can write any number of methods. No problem. We can write any number of methods. Question number 2. When a method will be executed? When a method will be executed? Answer. A method will be executed. A method will be executed only if we are calling that method. If we are calling that method, or if we are starting that method. Starting that method, or if we are invoking that method. A method will be executed only if we are calling that method, or if we are starting that method, or if we are invoking that method. Guys, calling, starting, invoking, all are same. All are same. Are you understanding me? Are you understanding me, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Now, question number 3. The biggest question is how to call a method. How to call a method. Guys, are you understanding the sequence? Are you understanding the sequence here? We have written a method, okay, but we are unable to see the output. Why we did not see the output? Why we did not see the output? Can you please answer my question? Why we did not see the output of some method? Because we did not call. We did not call that method. If we call that method will be getting executed. All right. But sir, we are seeing main method output. Guys, what I told you? What I told you? Every Java program execution will start from main method, right? So no need to call main method. Main method, only main method will be called automatically. No need to call main method. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? No need to call main method. Main method will be called automatically. Sir, why? I'll explain you. Hold that doubt exactly like that. Okay? Now, okay, sir, I understand. But how to call my sum method? Yes. How to call a method? Guys, please, very important. Please, guys, I need your complete concentration here. Trust me when I say this. I need your complete concentration. Please. Are you listening? Guys, are you listening? Please. Are you listening? Very, very, very important concept. Trust me when I say that. Very important concept. Now, please. How to call a method? We need to call a method. We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. Means, guys, answer my question. If we want to call some method, what we need? Just tell me what we need. If we want to call some method, Ramya, no, not exactly. That is wrong. If we want to call some method, tell me what we need. Guys, here I have given. We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. So if we want to call this some method, we need class A object. Am I right or wrong, guys? We need which object? We need which object? Class A object. Sir, immediately I'm having a question. Yeah, what is that question? Sir, how to create an object? Yeah, I understand. Now, next question. How to create a object? How to create an object? Guys, please listen to me. We need to create an object. We need to create an object with the help of new keyword, with the help of new keyword, and we need to initialize that object. We need to initialize that object with the help of a constructor. With the help of a constructor. Constructor name will be same as class name. Constructor name will be same as class name. Guys, hang on. Don't worry. I'll explain. I will explain. Right now, I'll explain. Okay. Example. Guys, example. I want to create an object of class A. Okay. Which object I want to create? Which object I want to create? Class A. Okay. Now, how to create an object with the help of new keyword? First, write new keyword. Guys, the only use of new keyword is to create an object. Are you understanding me? The only use of new keyword, online students, respond. Please, yeah, please don't sit idle. Please don't sit idle. Come on, guys, my class, I want you to be very active, very active. Okay, right. So let me ask you guys, is it okay if I'm explaining like this? Are you able to understand my accent? Please respond. Please respond. That is very good. Then please, kindly please respond in the chat with answers, guys. Okay, that is good. Now. So guys, right now, what I want to explain here is how to create an object. As simple as this. Now, yeah, I'll do that. Now, guys, how to create an object? I need to use new keyword. First, I need to use new keyword. Okay. What it, guys, how many Java language keywords are there? 50. Not 4, Tarun. 4 are access modifiers. 50 Java language keywords are there, right? In those 50 Java language keywords, one of the keyword is new. What is the use of new keyword? Only, come on, give me in the chat. Give me in the chat. What is the use of new keyword? The only use of new keyword is to create an object. Okay. I have used new keyword. Okay. I created an object. After creating an object, what I need to do? Can you see the answer and tell me? After I had created my object, what I need to do? What I need to do? Please see the answer and tell me. What I need to do? I need to initialize that object. Fantastic. I need to initialize that object with the help of constructor. And what is the name of the constructor? What would be the name of the constructor? What would be the name of the constructor? Exactly. Same name as class name. Now, which class object I want to create? Which class object I want to create? Class A. And like this. Now, this is a object. Now, for this object, I'm giving a name, simple name, AOBJ. Just a name, guys. Just a name, AOBJ. And that name, that reference belongs to which class? That object, that reference belongs to which class? Class A. This is the example for class A object. Guys, in the same manner, can you create class B object? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead. Go ahead. Create class B object and give me in the chat, please. First, what you need to do? What you need to write? Very good. Very good. Don't forget the parenthesis. Don't forget the parenthesis. Please don't forget the parenthesis. Guys, class B object. First, I need to write new keyword. New keyword. New keyword is used to create an object. After new keyword, what I need to use? Constructor. Constructor. Constructor name will be same name as class name. And now for this object, what I want to do, what I need to give a name, reference. Okay, BOBJ. And that name belongs to, come on here, please. Class B. This is class B object. Class B, OBJCT object. Can you go with class C? Just one last example, please. Can you go with class C, please? One last example, please. Go ahead. Go ahead. Please create class C object. First, write new keyword. Class C. Class C. Class C. New keyword. After that, constructor. Constructor name would be same name as class name. And after that, let me try to have a reference. Just a name. COBJ belongs to class C like this. Now, this is class C object. Class C object, OBJCT object. Now, guys, do you know how to create an object? Do you know how to create an object? Come on, yeah, please. Please. Now, very good. Very good. I'm impressed. Now, guys, how to call a method? How to call a method? How to call a method? With the help of its respective active class object. Okay, let us come back. Let us come back. Now, guys, I want to call this sum method. Can you please tell me which object I need to create? Class A object or class B object or class C object or class D object? Which object I need to create? Wow, guys, very good. I'm impressed. Very nice. Which object I need to create? I need to create class A object. Sir, why? Why we need to create class A object? Because sum method is present in which class, guys? Sum method is present in which class? Sum method is present in class A. So we are supposed to call that method with the help of class A object. Okay. Shall we create an object, guys? Shall we create an object? Go ahead. New. After that, after new, what I need to write? After new, what I need to write? Tell me a name. I told you a terminology. I told you a terminology. Come on, guys. I told you a terminology. Constructor. Constructor. Right? So class A like this. As of now, kindly please do remember, this is constructor. Okay. Constructor name will be same name as class name. Now, this is an object. Shall we give a name for that? Shall we give a name for that? Okay. Equal to AOBJ. It's a name. And that name, that reference belongs to class A. That's it. Now I'm having an object. I'm having an object name, right? AOBJ. What is that AOBJ? What is that AOBJ? That is a name of an object. That is a reference of an object. Am I right? Now AOBJ dot SUM, sum method. I'm calling it like this. I'm calling it like this. Are you understanding me, guys? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Shall we see the output? Shall we see the output? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let me close this. Let me close this. Okay. Let me remove that. I don't want that. Now, please, let me open my command prompt. Let me open my command prompt. Now, I'm trying to compile. Sir, what do you mean by compilation? Wait for that. I'll explain you. I will explain you. Please wait for that. Please wait for that. Now, Java C space file name dot Java. Press enter. Java space. Are you getting my statement? Guys, are you getting it? Please respond. Please respond. Yes, that is very good. That is very good. Now, so I got a question from Deepraj. Deepraj is asking me, sir, why we take two methods if we can get the output from main method? Okay. Deepraj, I believe you can play cricket, right? You can play cricket. Take example of Dhoni. Dhoni can ball, he can bat, he can wicket keep, right? And he can make a captain also. He can provide captaincy also. Why we are having 11 members? Did you got my question, Deepraj? Main method is able to do that, but that is not at all a good programming practice. Okay. You need to use main method to call other methods so that, okay, for example, I want to perform addition in one method, subtraction in one method, multiplication in one method, division in one method. Okay. If I'm trying to write like that, easily I can change my code. If I'm trying to change my code, rest of the methods will not be affected. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Exactly. That is the reason we'll be writing it like this. Okay. So guys, one more thing is, I already told you, one more time I'm saying you, kindly please do remember. Kindly please do remember. It's not basing upon the order. It's not basing upon the order. Okay. First, which method will be getting executed? First, which method will be getting executed? Main method. Inside the main method, what you have written? Java is awesome. So that is the reason first you will be getting Java is awesome. Sir, I want to print hi. Okay. Then do one thing. Just remove this from here. Try to write that statement after calling some method. Are you understanding me, guys? Come on here. Please respond in the chat for me. Am I clear with this? Now what is our output? Now what is our output? First, you are creating an object. Guys, this is creating an object. After creating an object, you are calling some method. So compiler will be directly going to some method. After executing the statements which were present in the some method, then it will be coming back and executing this. Java is awesome. So our output will be hi and Java is awesome. Am I clear with this? Please respond, guys. Please respond. For example, what I want to do is, let me make it like method one. Let me make it like method one. And this is method one. I'm just trying to call method one. Now I'm trying to have one more method, public void method two. Public void method two. Now what I want to do is, I want to write system.svstm, system.out.println, and in method 2 I want to write hello. Okay, in method 2 I want to write hello. Now guys, I want my output hi, hello, and Java is awesome. Can you please tell me what I'm supposed to do? Right now, if I execute my program, am I going to get this output or not? Am I going to get my output or not? Nope. Obviously, I'm not be getting. Why I'll be not getting? Why I'll not be getting the output? Sir, you did not call the method. You did not call the method. Yes. How to call a method? How to call a method? With the help of object. With the help of object. Do we have an object in the main method? Do we have an object available in the main method? Guys, this is an object. Okay. For this object, already we are having a name now. We're already having a name, right? Can we use this name? Can we use this name? Guys, for example, you people are studying in college. For example, if you take me, I'm from Lord's College. Likewise, my friends are also from Lord's College. So what we will say, I'm from Lord's College. He's also from Lord's College. Am I right or wrong? We can, multiple persons can use the same name. Come on here. Yes or no? Yes. Now, can we use the same name here? AOBJ dot method 2 like this. Same name. I'm just trying to call method 2. That's it. I'm just trying to call method 2. Let me save it and let me execute my program, please. Open command prompt and I'm just trying to execute my program. Java C space file name dot Java and Java space generated dot class file. Hi, hello, and Java is awesome. Guys, are you understanding me? Please respond, guys. Now, guys, one very important point is very important point is the scope of this object. Scope. The scope of this object is only up to this method. The scope of this object is only up to this method. Without writing main method, we cannot execute our program. Are you understanding me, guys? Rohit, respond in the chat. Respond in the chat, Rohit. Now. So, guys, the scope of this object is only up to this main method. Inside this main method, we can use any number of times this AOBJ. Once our compiler came out from this method, for example, from method 1, if I'm trying to call AOBJ dot method 2, can I call like that? Can I call like that? No, I cannot call. Why? Because I'm not present inside main method. I came out from my main method. The scope of that object is only within this main method. Sir, can I create one more object in method 1? Yeah, you can do that. Anita, we can call, but I'll let you know, like not right now. Okay, please wait for that. Right now, I'm starting right from the scratch. Okay. Now, so guys, for example, I'll be trying to write here like this. Can I write like this or not? Can I write like this or not? Kindly please do remember, guys, I can create an object outside the main method also. No problem. I can create an object, guys. I can create an object. Sir, you gave AOBJ, here also same name. Guys, what is the scope of this name? What is the scope of this name? The scope of this name is only within the main method. Right now, I'm outside the main method, right? Now, guys, can you please tell me, if I execute my program, what is my output? Think. You can do this. You can do this. Think. Please think. I know you can do this. Please think. Come on, guys. Think. Okay. That is good. That is good. Very good. Guys, first, main method. Am I right? Okay. In the main method, what we are doing here, just tell me what we are doing. Just tell me, guys, please. Just tell me what we are doing here. Just tell me what we are doing here. Creating an object. Very good. We are creating an object. This is CREATN, creating an OBJCT. This is creating an object. Very good. What we are doing here? Just tell me what we are doing. That's it. Calling a method. Whenever we are calling method 1, directly our compiler will be going from here to method 1. Okay. Now, inside the method one, what is the first statement, guys? Inside method one, hi. Hi will be printed. After that, what you're doing? Guys, no. After hi, what we are doing? Creating an object. One more time, we are creating an object. Fine, no problem. What we are doing now? After creating an object, what we are doing? Calling a method. Which method? Method 2. So from here, our compiler will be going to method 2 and our output will be hello will be printed. Hello will be printed. Now, guys, answer my question. Are there any statements left behind in method 2? Are there any statements left behind? No. Directly, again, our compiler will be going back to method 2 here. Are there any statements left behind? Are there any statements left behind? No. So again, our compiler will be going to coming back to main method. Are there any statements left behind in main method? Are there any statements left behind in main method? Yes. Now, what we are doing here? What we are doing here? We are calling method 2. Again, we are calling one more method. Calling calling a method, right? So again, our compiler will be going to method 2. Now, guys, is this line executed or waiting for execution? Is it executed or waiting for execution? Exactly. It is waiting. Why? Because our compiler from here, it went to method 2. Okay. Hello will be printed. HELLO. Hello will be printed. After that, are there any statements here? No. So again, it will be coming back to this line and system.out.println. System.out.println. Java is what? Awesome will be printed. This should be our output. Let us check whether we are going to get the same output or not. Command prompt java c space file name dot java java space generator dot class file name. Hi, hello, hello. Java is awesome. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? That is very good. That is literally very good. Do me a favor. Can you please have this program in your notes? Can you please have this program in your notes? Somnath, just trust me. You will be getting that. Please. Ritesh, you need to wait for that. Please wait for that. Guys, online students, kindly please make your internet connections very fast. I hope you guys are understanding me. Why? Because I'll be having 250 to 260 students in a batch right now. Right now. I hope you're understanding me, right? So, sir, my net connection is not good. So I want one more time. Again, the entire will not be happening more. Okay. I will give you examples. Trust me, I'll explain you. No issues. I'll explain you. Okay. Right. Please have this program for me. Please have this program for me. In the place of AOBJ, we can write BOBJ, my name, your name. We can write like that. Difference between public, private, protected, default, we'll be discussing in the coming classes, Pawan. Wait for that, please. Wait for that. Could you please note down this program in your notes, please? Ritesh, where you are having a trouble? Can you please tell me? Guys, please note down this program. Method 2. Where, buddy? Here? Here? Ritesh? Ritesh, here we are calling method 2 from method 1. If we are calling method 2, if we want to call a Java method, what we need? We need an object. So we have created an object, and with the help of that object reference, we are calling method 2. All these objects will be stored inside heap memory. Heap memory. Okay. Like when I'm dealing with JVM, Harish, I'll let you know, buddy. Yeah, Nilesh, why not? It is useful, buddy. You'll be getting that, Kumar. You'll be getting that. So, guys, let me ask you, is everyone understanding the way which I'm explaining? Are you comfortable with my training? Please, guys, I know you are having a lot of like doubts are there, like, sir, what is actually main method? Uh, what is that string array args every time? Guys, kindly please hold that doubts for me here. Please. I promise you, you will be understanding all those concepts, but not immediately. Not immediately. Okay. Guys, why? Because you cannot understand all the concepts in one day. Okay. You cannot understand all the concepts in one day. Right? So slowly, one by one, tomorrow also, trust me when I say this, tomorrow also you will be understanding these concepts. Why? Because I will be explaining you one more time. One more time. But before coming to tomorrow's class, guys, do me a favor. You will be getting this class video recording. Today's class video recording, yesterday's class video recording, and day before yesterday's class video recording, you will be getting to your emails. Like if you are giving your correct email ID whenever you are registering, you will be getting those recordings. Before coming to tomorrow's class, guys, I'm not asking you anything here. Before coming to tomorrow's class, please listen for today's session and yesterday's session. Can you do that for me? Can you do that for me? Please. Today's session and yesterday's session. That's it. And believe me when I say that today is Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Still 2 days are there. You will be amazed with the outputs. What you can accomplish within 2 days. Literally, you will be amazed with those like outputs. Okay. What I want you to do is just listen to today's video recording and yesterday's video recording for once. Only for once, not more than that. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Did you note down this program? Did you note down this program? Right. So guys, again, I'm saying you all, whatever the concepts which I'm explaining you right now regarding the notes, again, I'll be trying to give you guys. Okay. Please wait for that. Please wait for that. Tarun, I'll be explaining you remaining data types also, but not all in one day, buddy. Okay. Slowly, one by one. We'll be understanding the concepts. Okay. One by one. Am I clear with this? Right. Guys, my kind of teaching will be like this. Means every day You need to be energetic in my class, and I will not make you sit idle. I will not make you sit idle. Okay. Like, I want you, like, I'll be asking you questions. I'll be giving you the tasks. You need to answer them. You need to write those tasks. Am I clear with this? And Anchal, again, you're asking like, what is static, buddy? Static, as of now, kindly please do remember, static is a keyword. Okay. So what is the use of that static keyword? Why we are supposed to use that static keyword? We'll be discussing in our coming classes, right? So guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. And once these, like within 3 to 4 days, I'll be trying to show you how we are supposed to install Java in your system, how we are supposed to install Eclipse in your system. I'll be telling you, like I'll be showing you guys, no issues. Okay. I hope it's clear for everyone. As of now, this batch, 8:30 batch, is completely online batch. This is not an offline, guys. Okay. And ABCHH, I don't know what is your name. You're asking, please copy, paste the code in the chat box. The answer is no. The answer is no. Code, I will not copy. You need to write the code. You need to write the code. Okay. Guys, your sessions, corejava sessions will be amazing. Trust me when I say that. Okay. And I'll be giving you the notes. No problem. Mangesh, whatever the doubts you're having, you can ask me in the chat and I'll be trying to answer them. Okay. Now, Gautami, I will advise you to go for advance also. No problem. Right? Right. Yeah, Harita, tell me, please. Tell me. Offline as of now, 8:30. No, it's not available for 8:30. No, please. All right. So guys, I hope you have written the program. No, no, Sumit, no, it will not cover JDBC. JDBC will be covered under advanced Java. Chetan, syllabus you will be getting through mail, Chetan. You can check with that, please. Okay. Chetan, again, as I told you, explaining the flow, you will be getting these video recordings to your mail. You can go with that. No problem. Okay. We can call it, Saroj, we can call it paying the fees. Regarding the fees details, regarding non-technical fees and everything, you can please contact the person, like our admin person. They have given you in the methods. Okay, Harika, you are saying first we did call a method too, but why did come high? Harika, what is this? In method one, we are having high, right? We are calling method one here. So in method one, what is the first statement? Please check that correctly, Tali. Please check that. Okay. Guys, don't think like this is demo classes. As for me, demo classes are completed. Demo classes are completed. No, this is, according to me, this is a regular class. But according to the management, it is a demo class. But please don't think like this is demo class. Okay. Right. Okay, I don't know what is your name, G, buddy, like statically or dynamically, not exactly right now. We'll be discussing in the like coming classes. You need to wait for that, please. Why? Because a lot of things should be covered before that. Okay. Right. So, all right, guys. All right. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow, guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Have a great day. And please get ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow, please make sure that you have seen the videos. Okay. All right, guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Thank you. Suresh, please make the videos to be sent to tomorrow's, like to the students. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow afternoon, try to send all the videos. Thank you. I'm ending the meeting, buddy. Right.